Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the mouth openness filter on Instagram. And then obviously once you have it on Instagram, you can go ahead, record a video of yourself with the filter and then post it to TikTok or Snapchat or any other social media that you would like to. Now to get this filter, all you have to do is go over to Instagram and open that up. Once you're on Instagram, you want to go over to where you would create your story and click on that little blue plus icon. You will then be in here. What you want to do is you want to go all the way over to the right where you will see an option to browse effects. Just go ahead and click on that. And then in here, just go to the search option and just search for mouth openness. Just like this. And we will then see the filter right here. So all we have to do is click on it. And then we can go ahead and try it here, or we could save it to our camera roll so we're able to make our own videos with it if we would like to. Anyhow, I really hope this video was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.